Mhm. Uy. Ala, 900 na pala yung viewers. Ay, maglalag ako. Ito ba na siya? Yeah. Kasi na natutulog yung cellphone ko. My phone are my phone are low bat. Why it's not yellow, guys? Welcome, guys. Uy, okay na yun. Okay na yun, ha? Baka may sasabihin pa kayo sa akin, ba? Da. Oh, bini, bini. Naglalag ako. Hi, Tara. Hello, guys. Shall we all, guys? If I don't see your name. I'm lag. Yeah, I'm totally lag. It's lag. It's so... like that. Thank you guys for staying. Welcome to my live, guys. I can't mention your name because I'm lag, right? I'm lag. Like lagging. Nasaan yung si Alex? Si Alex, wala na akong kausapin. Iniwan mo na ako sa kanya. Ba talaga ako? Jan 28, Alex, where na you? Here na me. Georgie. Thank you, Georgie. Thank you. Hi, Pakarberg. ID Jopper. Ay, tagin Alex, nandyan ka. Ba't nahimik? Hello, guys. Hello. Hi, Jogger. O, di ba kahit 100 viewers tayo, pero bagsak 20. Tang inig. Ang lakas. Ang 14. Hi, 14. Jojo. Ang lakas. Papakin. Papakin.
Hide it, sip it, serve it, eat it, drink it.
Angas. Angas ko. Hindi ako maangas. 20. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Yung feeling na naka 800 viewers ka. Oo, kasi lang okay lang yun, okay lang. Yun, sakit. Alam mo sa feeling na naka almost 1K viewers ka, tapos yung beans. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Ang galing. Thank you po, ma'am. Pagpalain ka ng juice sa may kapal. Ang saya. Aray mo. Diyan, piskat ka. Itom imong lagay. Samuel. Nag-isang thirst lang. Thirst lang. Ba't tayo, daddy? Ang bilis ko. Mr. RSB, shall we? Hi, ID. Level 1, shall we, guys? Hello. Hi, bad. Hi, tech geek. Yan tayo. Ang ending. Wala. Hi, Doraemon. Guys, naghahanap ako. Wait, pag-dipak. Alex, Wala, hindi na ako aasa diyan. 'Pag umasa ako masasaktan ako. OA. I'll be there, I'll be so lonely, and it's in the ano, reaction ng babae pinadala. Uy, diyan gago, mababantay diyan, baka masarapan ka bigla diyan. Thank you, 007. Hello, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you. My beans are moving now. Thank you. I followed you. Hello, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Ba't ganun na lang ba? Ganun lang kasi yan. Nag-ubas kayo na 5 piso. English kasi, parang nakadami tayo nung apa mag-English kayo. The rule of this life, it don't speak, like, don't speak. So, it's okay dyan. Hi, El. Don't speak Tagalog. Just English only, ha, dyan, ha. Void ka, void if you speak, Tagalog. See, you don't comment there because, you don't, know how to English. Okay. Oh, very good. Oh, very good English. So nice. Ginamantay mo ito. Like right now, ha, English, ha, not allowed Tagalog. If someone chat Tagalog there, I don't understand it because I'm from other country. What magkubit ka pa, sige, taas mo pa kasi may effects na ha ha ha, di ko makita. Kita ko yung comment mo. Don't problem. Ay, don't problem. I thought it's no problem. Oh my gosh, you're so great, John. Yeah, I love you, John. You're so very good at it. Hi, right under pressure, guys. There you. Shall we? Oh, hi, shall we? Yeah, do you think I'm some, like, like, what's that? Oh my god, no sleep. Everything, what's everything? Everything in my life, I guess with you tonight. Everything is done. Wow, tang inang lakas, putik na yan dyan. Saan mo yan nakuha? English only, right? English. You're so great. You're so really great, John. Where did you pick that English? Oh my god, I'm so very, very proud of you because there's a English speaking on my life. Ay, John. Ang galing mo dyan. Project na liro. Kung pala may English hero. Ayoko na. I'm so ugly. Why? No, don't be like that, There's no ugly. God doesn't create ugly. It's just you don't have any self-confidence. That's why. Yeah. You only need to boost your confidence. So you're not you're not what's that? You don't have any self-doubt to yourself. Self-doubt. Tingnan, galing ko mag-English. Oh, why are you tired? You're doing Lulu every day. That's why. Oh my God, John, you're so very maniac. ID. Don't do that. Yeah, you will literally get tired if you're doing that every day. English yun. Ito, ano, ayoko meow pa din ako. Nasa 20 beans pa din ako. Meow, 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 mahal kita. Oh my God, you love me? Oh my God, I love you so much more 100 times and forevermore. Oh my God, don't do that. Two lips, that. Ara na, shall we? Wala yung mga kilala ko, iniwan na ako. Sanay na ako maiwan. 2 drinks, motherfucker. Ayaw magsiyaw kasi ano. Meow pa din ako ngayon. 30? Monster yun na yan. Hindi ka pa yung awa. Yung burati naman ba? Paano na tuloy? Kalimutan ano, di bagay sa kanyang word. Red lips. Red lips. Red lips. Hello. Bag boss. Welcome to my life. Siyempre dapat ganun tayo. Hindi tayo dito pa bebe. Ano gusto niya? Bebe, kaan ka na bebe. Bebe, kain ka na. Kain na tayo bebe. Kainin ko tata mo. Yan. Tingnan po sumaya tayo. Naka 700, 800. Putik na yan. No? Tapos sa 30 bagsak din tayo. Wala, Baybas, we are, we are crazy here. Cause we are the arts, no? Nakakahiya naman, yung bobo tayo dito. Diba na, first trap ko kanina. Magano na tayo. J. Troy. Zawi. Ano kaya to? Marikit. Oh. Oh, darn right. Ito.
Manana says I'll never be able to look like her. Let's prove her wrong. I got some amazing tips from this Facebook group. I can't wait for Nene to try my red chicken satay.
Bakit yun?
Pag-usapan ang ating nadarama. Matagal na pala tayong di nagkakasama. Halina, simulan ang bagong alaala. Pinipili ikaw ang napiling, hahanapin bawat sandali. Ngiti ng bibig mong liwanag para di maligaw. Sinong mag-aakala pangarap lang kita? Ngayon nandito ka na, pinayagan itadala. Pinaubaya ka sa akin upang
Thank you, Georgie. Mas nasa'yo na lahat, idol, maganda, sexy, mabait at magaling sumaya, swerte ng beer mo. Yun lang, wala tayong GFC na yung... Oo eh. Meow, 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 meow. Yun lang. Wala tayong ganun. Kasi hindi natin deserve mag-jowa. Kasi mukha tayong games. Yun, akala nila. So lang. Paano tayo magjojowa ng bigos tayo, iniwasan tayo ng mga lalaki. Putik na yan. If you have a girl, this girl, it's all girls are expensive. They're not for free. But the return, it's so very, very, very satisfying. Ano yun? English yun, English. Did you understand that? That. Sige na tayo. Ano ulit si Uni? Oh, binibining ka na natin. Hahamakin hanggang sa huli ang iyong ngiti. That's all what I can say. You know? Pero may itim-itim din. Hi, YR, shall we? Ano na? Hello, hi guys, hello. Hello guys. Hi, JT. Hi, Mr. Ryan. Kita ko naman na, bakit wala akong self-confidence? Bakit di ko na business confidence ko? Bakit lagi akong insecure sa iba? Wala lang, tanga-tanga kasi. Ano yun? Ito na parang may muta. Black eye sabog yarn. Ako'y sabog na. Ah. Bagay kaya sa akin may bounce. Alam mo yung bounce ng ganyan. May bounce ako kasi lang makulot-kulot siya. Hello, Alayon. Hello, guys. Shall we, guys? DP. Shall we all, guys? Don't be scared to me, ha? I'm not gonna bite you. Broadcast. Ika'y nanatiling Gino, who knows? Hamakin hanggang sa huli ang iyong ngiti. Tingnan, pag maganda tayo, di talaga tayo pinapansin, eh. Sandy. Umalis na sila. Wait, Pem, thank you for staying. They are gone. Yeah, MC. But if I do dance, they are coming here. What the heck are you doing? I kick. Maybe I keep going dance, not stop like that. I don't know. But it's the seduction. Sige lang. Binibini.
Pinakamurang data sa Shopee. Enjoy 1 peso data deals plus 10% off for all users. Mag-load na!
くまなく見る。やあ、僕の名前はジュエルグマ。特技はジュエリーとブランド品の査定なんだ。では失礼して、くまなくジュエリーブランド品売るなら、ジュエルカフェ。
カフェ。Even like I am, you can't show me that. Don't feel like having more of the time. Hindi na napapalaman. Baby. Just touch my body. Hey, my body. Obe. Ay, ganun. Gagamitan mo na yung tao. Dear. Wala naman ba? Idang babae ikisan ko apa? Arigatou gozaimasu. Kudasai. Ya, apa? Yun. Yamete kudasai. Yun namang TikTok mo, mas smiley. Smile. Tapos yun lang ba? Bakit tingin ng TikTok na tayo dito? Franco. Franco, 40. Ano, bes? Ah, bes. Nasa 23 tayo, oh. Sige nga, lakas nga nagpikid, oh. Telluride. Baby bo, ano, make me dance. Make me dance. I'm so, no, I'm just, no. Telluride. I'm just, trip lang. Ganun. Hot chick. Hello, guys. Hi, David.
Wild Bounty Showdown at Best 88. Choose your luck from over 2,500 games. We have more chances for big wins.
Tonight, Chucky, adventure with Bet 88.
Bet 88, your ultimate playground.
Joke. Thank you, Poitam. Fuji. Ay, joke lang. Thank you. Ayan na sir. Dito na naman siya. Ito. Smirk up. Ang ina na yun. Yung naglalag ako. Naglalag ako. Wala, smirk up. Kaya nga nagulat ako. Naglalag ako.
Sabi ko tama na pero sabi mo sa akin umilit ka pa ng isa. Mo na ngayon ang bahay mo sa boyfriend mo ako ang gusto mo. Hindi mo mapipigil yun at alam mo yun.
Naglalag ba?